counterclockwise. This one's clockwise. This one's okay. So we're doing a crisscross. This blade here, clockwise or counterclockwise. This blade here, counterclockwise. This blade here, clockwise. This blade here, clockwise. Alright, so as you're looking at the insides of, I might be able to get it. Okay, can you see your arrows right here? There you go. Okay, that is telling you your locking positions. So as you're looking at your blades, this one here is a counterclockwise blade. So that will be a front one. This one here came out of another package, and that one's going to be a counterclockwise blade. So there we go. We have them together. Now we'll go do our test. Okay, I figured it was easy to go ahead and do it in my office. We're doing three things at the same time around here. Push on the gimbal. Okay, I'm using 3 different cameras here. Okay. Now, rotation, the lock rotation, should I say? You get the little marks there, and you can look at your blades and mate up your blades. So this is your leading edge. This is your trailing edge. So as you're looking at it, your trailing edge is going to be curved. So grab your motor, outside of your motor, hold on to it, push the blade down, turn it counterclockwise. And this one tells you to lock it clockwise. Put it right on there like so. Hold on to your blade or your motor, push down, and lock it like so. Make sure she's in. So now we're going to go to the front blade. This is going to go clockwise to release because it is absolutely opposite. And this is the same blade as the one you just put on. So now you're going to take another blade, take the other blade, and you can see the opposites. See, that's your trailing edge and this is your leading edge. And we're going to go on here, and this tells you to go counterclockwise. And what you're doing is you're locking them in. You got 3 points. Take that, line them up. You'll feel it. You'll feel it drop. Go counterclockwise. Go back and forth. Once you feel the spring, release. And now it's same with this one. Okay. Now we're going to go counterclockwise with that one. This one is going to go, sure I don't, it's opposite. These blades, they're in a X, so this one is opposite this one. Push down, go counterclockwise. Feel it lock in. Do the same with this one. Now this is, you just go hold on to that. Push down, go clockwise. She's going to release. And you're looking to make sure they're opposites. trailing edge, and your last one. Good. You can feel it lock in, and then you're going to go counterclockwise, and then just kind of go clockwise, counterclockwise, make sure they're locked in. And there you go. Takes care of that. Okay. We are ready to rock and roll. Hey, Denny. Yeah, on my blog. And this is going to be a session on the new quiet blades that we now have. And today I'm going to go ahead and get that all set up, ready to go. This is the Sky. Okay. Stuff works so good now. No more using your phone. Right. Okay. Right now I'm using the standard blades that come with the Mavic. Got all my pre-flight stuff on it before I set it up earlier. So we're gonna set it right here in the middle of the room. That's how quick that goes. So now you're going to be able to hear how she sounds. Say, ready to go. We're going to go fly. Check everything. Latest firmware. Everything should be up to date. She's ready to go. Okay. Compass normal. She's adding mode. Overall status. So, status of the aircraft, let's go back. That's alright, but that right now. Okay, no positioning in the adding mode. Alright. Okay. Everything is set up, looks like she's ready to go. And basically this is a sound test for these blades. So here we go. I'm going to set. Ensure you want to take off. Ensure that it's safe to take off. Aircraft will be raised 3.5 feet and hover. So here we go. And I'm not changing any. When I do my editing, I'm not going to change any noise. I'm going to leave it just like it is. So here we go.
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay. So now you can hear how loud she is.